how to fix your Doordash acceptance rate. So I'm going to show you 5 different ways, which are the best ones. You want to accept more delivery requests. Consistently accept more delivery requests to gradually increase your acceptance rate. Each accepted order boosts your percentage. The second tip that I can give you is to dash during peak hours. Work during busy times like lunch, which is 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., and dinner 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. when orders are more frequent and higher paying, making it easier to accept multiple requests. You can also dash in busy zones. Choose high demand areas like city centers or areas with many restaurants to receive more delivery orders and accept them back to back. The fourth tip is avoid declining orders unnecessarily. Minimize declining orders unless absolutely necessary. Accepting more offers is the key to improving your rate. And the last tip that I can give you is pause your dash when taking breaks. Always pause or end your dash if you're unavailable to accept deliveries. Ignoring offers will lower your acceptance rate. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.